Here we go. We got Chad on the surface cleaner. He's starting to get to know the surface cleaner a little bit better today. Yeah, there you go. We're doing a paver clean and seal. We're doing the pavers up front. We got travertine in the back we're doing as well, but we do a deep cleaning on it first. If you can see, really getting it clean, bringing about all the dirt. Look at this gray, this dark water. Look how cleaner it is in here. There you can see the colors. You can see a bunch of sand coming out. And we've got our hot water boiler machine going. About 4,000 psi, about 250, 280 degrees. We're getting pretty hot on this one. You can see some of the steam coming out. We tossed it up. The tire marks are really bad. But we are Grand Canyon power washing and Arizona State paver cleaning. And got Chad here on the paver cleaner. We're just showing you a little bit of our cleaning process. Okay, deep cleaning. We're out here in Chandler. Give us a call 480-686-1636. We are licensed and insured. We do restoration process on these pavers. It's brand new afterwards. We fill in the sand, then we seal it. No matter what anybody says, the sealer does last out in Arizona. We have clients to prove it. Give us a call, 480-246-1636. Talk to you soon.